Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the Ted Baker Folio Glitsie Flip Mirror Case for the iPhone 11. Ted Baker are well known for creating luxury premium products that add a classy, sophisticated style to your accessories. Their latest cases use a combination of glitz and floral patterns, and we've got our hands on their most sparkly choice to help your iPhone 11 shine. This case covers your phone from every angle, using a standard folio cover design and a lot of eye-catching features. If you're into labels, it has a nice subtle branding on the front cover, with Ted Baker stamped into the front cover along the right edge. With most glitter covers, you often find that it gradually comes off over time, making it look tatty and worn in places. But this case is covered with a smooth seal that feels soft, retaining the reflective properties of the glitter while keeping it water resistant and long lasting. One of my favourite things about designer cases are the personal finishing touches that enhance the brand's feel, from the little script message on the inside of the shell casing to the light frame decoration around the interior mirror. The interior shell seems to be made from a light metal that's much stronger than the average plastic casing, so there's less risk of it cracking when dropped. I like the tinted rose gold coating on the inside. It gives off an air of luxury and sophistication that matches nicely with the soft pink on the cover. The large cutouts around the inner casing make for great access to the ports and switches even when the case is closed, so you'll never have to open the case to plug in the lightning cable on the base. A nice touch is the weighted front panel, concealing a strong magnet that not only holds the panel closed when out and about, but keeps it fixed to the back when folded over, so there's no need to hold it down. There's a thin layer of external padding on the front and back panels of the case. It hardly adds any weight or bulk, and nicely cushions the phone when placed down on hard surfaces. While this is a stylised case, it still offers a decent protection from light impacts and the usual day-to-day wear and tear, keeping your phone pristine for longer. It even works perfectly with wireless charging, taking away the need to remove the case to make the most of this convenient feature. Overall, I really like the look of this case. If you're more of a minimalistic type, then this case may be a little over the top for some, but it has that air of glamour that adds value. It feels secure and it's made from quality materials that last. So that's all for our look at the Ted Baker Folio Glitsie case for the iPhone 11. If you like this video and are on the lookout for more quality mobile accessory reviews, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.